Spring has sprung in northern Michigan, and we are bringing you all the listings. This is one of our favorite homes. What do you love about it, Bill?
I mean, I love the log feature, but I like the location. So it's situated on 5 acres, sort of set up atop a hill here. It is on the east side of Petoskey, off of Bellmer Road, and it's just a very quiet, peaceful setting. I think I can hear like an airplane in the background, but otherwise no road noise. You're not hearing neighbors or anything like that. What I also love about Acreage, just a little bit of room to roam. So if you want a barn or you want a shed, those kind of things, or you just want to walk around your property, this affords that. What are some of the things that you like, Lisa?
I love the versatility of the property. So it will be a great home for somebody that wants to live here and enjoy it, be a part of the community. It's an investment property / vacation home for the current owner. They love using it. They adore the location and the property, like Bill said, and they also earn a little rental income on it. With the 6 bedrooms, 6 bath, almost 6,000 square feet, it lends itself to like a corporate retreat or maybe a place where a large family of brothers, sisters, cousins, grandparents can come and gather either for the holidays or for their summer northern Michigan vacation. So it checks a lot of boxes for people. I really do love a beautiful log home, and this is definitely that.
Yeah, it's a very comfortable home. We've been here when it's been snowing outside. The wood burner was going, and so it just had this nice, warm, cozy feeling as you're looking out, the vaulted ceiling, looking out at the windows over the large wraparound deck in the front. And then in the summertime, of course, the canopy here and all the surrounding trees feel like you're in your own little private, greenscape. It's going to be absolutely beautiful once the leaves pop here.
Yeah, in fact, when I was driving up here, a deer scurried across the road, the driveway on the way up. It is definitely a beautiful, natural setting, and I think a lot to love about this property.
So if you'd like to see 796 Bellmer Road in person, DM us or give us a call. We'd be happy to show you this beautiful property.